Hello, I'm Surbi Channa and I'm here back again. So I'm going to reveal what I eat in a day. कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, आप देख सकते हैं, कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, सब खाती हूँ मैं. But since Pinkvilla is insisting and Pinky is my favorite, let's go ahead. How can you even ask this question if I'm a blessed soul? Clearly I'm not, you can see from the face. Everything that I eat comes on my face the very next day. So supposedly, right now we are at 10 p.m. If I cheat right now, any meal at 10:30, कल सुबह की शूट में कल मैं लगूंगी मोटा टमाटर. पतला टमाटर, मोटा टमाटर, मैं मोटा टमाटर लगूंगी. So there is no escape for me. Clearly no escape for me. That's a nice question. I don't know how many of y'all follow about the morning ritual. So before going off to sleep, I drink a glass of water, and as soon as I wake up, the first thing I do after checking my phone, which is a bad habit, which is also not ritual, supposed to be, I drink the glass of water which is kept overnight. I don't know why I do it, but I always do it. So the water that I drink at night, जितना मैंने पी लिया, उसको मैंने ढक दिया, and as soon as I wake up, whatever water is left, I drink that, and then of course I go ahead with my freshening up and things like that. That's the only morning ritual I follow. Night owl, clearly. I really love sleep. I can stay awake till 2:30 maximum, and if I'm partying, I have the energy, but do not wake me up. Even in my school, college days, कभी मुझे सुबह कोई बोलता ना, जो कहते हैं सुबह बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है, कुछ नहीं होती भाई. मेरी लाइफ में कभी सुबह अच्छी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई. मेरी लाइफ में पढ़ाई सिर्फ रात को अच्छी हुई है. एंड I've been a night person. I'm a person who loves South Indian cuisine. If you give me idli for the entire day, be it my breakfast, lunch or dinner, it can be my staple all my life. जब तक मैं मर ना जाऊँ, मुझे इतना पसंद है इडली, South Indian. But I have like a balance of breakfast. So there are days when I have poha. There are days when I have, like this morning I had aloo ka paratha because I was really craving paratha, and बिल्कुल normal आटे का, हाँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So idlis, और मम्मी सूजी का कभी डोसा बना देती है. Eggs with a gluten-free bread is what I like because my sister gets it from Swiss with butter, and of course I have my coffee with that, which has become now like a habit. Otherwise, nothing, just breakfast and I'm done. So these days it's coffee with only Swiss milk, हाँ. स्विस का हम दूध पीते हैं. स्विस की जो गाय मोटी मोटी होती है उसका दूध पीते हैं और उसकी कॉफी.
Hi, I'm Tamanna and you're watching me on Pinkvilla. Breakfast is like a smoothie bowl which I kind of create, which has gluten-free granola, dates in it, almond milk, some nuts in it, a banana in it. If I get berries, I put berries. If I don't get berries, I put something else that is a substitute. So my first meal is that. And on the days I'm eating, I just eat eggs because that's the way I get my protein source. So there are days eggs, which is probably poached, or an omelette with a lot of vegetables. These two are normally what I variate between for a breakfast meal. My lunch is, I love Indian food, so I eat dal, chawal, sabzi, which is what I love the most, and that I find that the most satiating. Dinner. For me, the meal before dinner is very important. So that is around like 5:36. I end up snacking on a lot of nuts, and then I work out, and then in the night again I eat something that's a protein-rich meal. So sometimes it's eggs with vegetables. Sometimes, so it depends on my activity levels. Like the days the activity is a lot, the food changes a little more carb in it. If I've really worked out and really burnt it all, then I eat a little more carb at night. Oh yeah, I mean cheat days are as important as pursuing and doing a diet properly. So I think every 10th day I naturally end up cheating, and I cheat with whatever I really feel like eating. I don't cheat if I get something that is lukewarm. Alcohol by itself is not healthy. And if you really want to drink, just drink whatever you want, because I don't think you can. I think it's really sad when people fool themselves and saying this is the best, alcoholic drink that is okay for that time. If you're drinking, just drink what makes you happy and then get done with it, and then follow your diet diligently. I think water is the most underrated. Although it's not food, but it's pretty much for your skin. Sometimes you're hungry, but actually you're not hungry. You're pretty much thirsty, but you don't realize that. So water, constant amount of, like, a lot of water, especially if you live in a city like Mumbai, which I do. I need a lot of water going in. Healthy foods, everything that is naturally available is healthy. The moment you process any food too much, it loses its natural, its nutrients. So, cooking food to a limited point is nice. Even a potato, for that matter, like if you boil a potato, it's healthy, but if you fry it, it loses its nutrients. I think find something that's sustainable. Like most people don't end up starting off their weight loss goals only because they just try something too drastic. Too drastic does give you results, but then it's not sustainable, so you get back to what you are, and then that's not motivating. So essentially, I feel it's very important for whoever wants to go on a weight loss program should do something that is actually sustainable, and little willpower के बगैर तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. So this is what I eat in a day. Of course, there are days where I still eat what I really like to eat. So of course, it sounds really healthy and stuff. But
hi everyone, I'm Tara Sataria and I'm so excited to be here on Pink Villa, and this is what I eat in a day. You know, I never thought that I was one of those people that could just eat everything and get away with it, but I've been told that I am. I do realize though that I think that's just now because I'm in my 20s, I can afford to do that. But I come from a very like khata pita, like Parsi family where everyone's main goal in the day is to talk about food, eat food, make food. So I need to be very careful. But yeah, I'm fortunate. I've also been, working my whole life and dancing my whole life. So luckily that's kept me in shape. But yeah, I've just started working out recently. So thank God. Apart from my tea, I think just catch up with my friends, because I know sometimes in the day things can get really busy and despite the lockdown so much is going on. I think just catch up with my friends as soon as I take my first sip of tea. I'm like, hi guys, what's up? Because I don't want to miss out on anything that's going on in their lives. So yeah, that. So what I usually eat, I'm not a huge breakfast eater. I'm more of a tea person, but when I do eat breakfast, I usually eat it when I'm on set and shooting because I need the energy for the whole day. It could be an omelette, or it could be, like I said, eggs kejriwal, which is basically just a fried egg with like lots of mirchi on a buttery cheesy toast, which is again not very healthy, but it's yummy. So guys, please try it. And yeah, it could be like a really yum sandwich, or yeah, just chai. I'm not a big breakfast person. For lunch, every day is different. Like I said, in our house, at lunch we're talking about what to eat for dinner, and at dinner we're talking about what to eat for lunch. So it's every day is different. I don't really have a diet like most people, I think, in our industry stick to a certain plan and then cheat on Sundays or things like that. I would love to know how these people are doing it, because I don't know how. I really need to. Every day is different. I mean, like today I had biryani for lunch and I tried making some jungly mutton for dinner. So I mean, every day is different. My last meal, I try to do that as early as possible, around 8:30, I think. Favorite meal of the day, I think, would be dinner, because I like to put my candles on, put music on. Everyone's usually free at that time of the night, so I usually love to